This two-door, four-passenger coupe stands out among competitors in its class. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and power seats. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 20-gigabyte hard drive, and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.